Are you interested in CNC applications?
Let's take a look at Wecon solution.
The first solution uses LX5 series PLC and pulse-type servo. The second solution uses LX6 series PLC and EtherCAT bus servo. They achieve with the same principle. Use HMI's Lua scripts to parse CNC files and then PLC performs interpolation instructions based on this parsed CNC code. The approach requires a high-performance HMI, so PI8000 IG is recommended. The more complex the CNC file, the more time the HMI needs to parse it. The latest solution uses AC60 PLC and EtherCAT bus servo, support more types of G-code instructions in Wecsys. Based on the powerful performance of AC60, file parsing can be completed much faster. Use a USB flash drive to save CNC files and upload them directly to the AC60 from the HMI for execution. HMI only provides the function of transferring CNC files using simple Lua commands, so PI3000 IG can be used. Let's take a look at the actual operation steps and demonstration results.